Hi, this is Pranay Shah here. I'm a CEO of Immigration and Education Services Private Limited. Company is based in India, Ahmedabad. Today I'm gonna share one experience which is very important. I think I should share with you guys who is watching this video. Actually, I was living in Canada and I lived there for 6 to 7 years, and it was a little, very initial stage. I would say that was little struggling, and due to that there was a very long working hours and little stressful days because of the settling in the new country, and due to that I upsetted my daily schedule of meals, daily schedule of eating food habits, everything got changed. And in 6 years my digestion system really collapsed. I was not able to digest the food, and it started giving me ulcer in my mouth. And then later on I got itching boils on my leg, which was very painful. So then but in this 6 years later on I moved to India, and then I continue with my business, and then I thought to see a doctor because it was really very painful. So I went to a couple of doctors. They suggest me, as you know, that doctors usually give medicines, and as you go over there, so he gave me the medicine, and then first I met a general practitioner, then a skin specialist, then a dentist. So I approached to all specialists in short, and then everyone gave me a different medicine. I tried that, but its tummy was not getting right. Even gastrologist I visited a couple of times, but my tummy was not getting right, and then day by day complications in my body was increasing. Meanwhile, one of my friends from Canada visited here, and he said that why don't you try the Ayurvedic medicine, because he had a good experience with one of the best known doctors of Ahmedabad. So he suggested name of Dr. Paneri and Dr. Ravi Paneri. He had a very bad problem in Canada. In Canada he was hospitalized for a few months, I would say that, but could not cure his problem. And then someone again, same like me, his friend suggested him he should start Ayurvedic medicine. So he started with Dr. Paneri, and it was a miracle for him, and everything changed, life changed, and everything came back to the normal in just a span of 1.5 years or 2 years. So he suggested me you should try and doing this. So I approached to him, I spoke to him, and the very first meeting he said, no, I will cure this one. And he was very confident. Actually I met Ravi Paneri, son of Mukesh Paneri, and he was so confident. He said that everything will be cured, don't worry about, but you should have a patient. I said I have all patients. I am struggling these things from last 2 years now, and it's getting worse. So whatever you suggest, I'm okay to do that. So he started giving me the medicine, and it was in powdered form, which was little not tablet form but powder form. So kind of a little bit difficult because I didn't like that. But then eventually I started liking. But in 3 months or 4 months, that itching and everything what was happening in my body, the boils, small kind of, so everything was going away, and and then this mouth ulcer was there still. I was not able to eat any spicy food, and you know that Indian having a lot of spicy food and flavored food, but I was not able to eat. So then, but eventually, I continue with the medications, and I think a year time since I started the medicine from Mr. Ravi Paneri, I was able to eat properly, and my digestive system was getting normal. It's been 2 years now, and things are going really pretty normal now. I can eat now the Indian food. no itching and no any other symptoms, and I'm keeping my health very well. And I'm really thankful to Dr. Ravi Paneri for that. Thank you, Ravi.